Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue to explore the features of Syncfusion Angular Charts. In this video, I'll show you how exporting and printing charts help users take visualizations beyond their application. Let's start with exporting. Syncfusion Angular Charts lets you export a rendered chart with the export method. You can save charts as images like JPEG, PNG, or SVG, generate PDFs for documents, or export the chart data to Excel or CSV formats. Just choose the export type and file name, and the chart is ready to download. You can also export multiple charts at once by passing a collection of chart objects to the export method. Need more control over how the exported charts look? You can adjust things like chart size for image and PDF outputs before the file is generated. You can fine-tune Excel exports using the Excel properties. This gives you the flexibility to update text style, apply background colors to specific cells or ranges, and adjust row heights for better readability. For PDF exports, you can switch from portrait to landscape orientation to accommodate wider charts, and you can also add headers and footers to the exported PDF. You can export each chart as a separate page by enabling the Export to Multiple Page option during PDF export. If required, exports can also be generated as base64 strings. With the print method, you can generate a clean, print-friendly version of a chart. And if you're working with dashboards, you can print multiple charts at once by passing an array of chart element IDs or references to the print method, making it easy to capture the full view in a single print. So that's everything you need to know about export and print in Syncfusion Angular Charts.